What does it say, Cal?
To Callum, Merry Christmas from Scott and Sharon. Sharon, I'm not sure.
It's Sharon. What does it say after Sharon?
Kiss, kiss.
Oh, you beauty. Get them later.
Hi.
Wonder what it could be. Oh! Oh!
DVDs.
What?
A DVD and a Lego game.
What does it say?
Huh.
What is it?
It's a Lego game, of course.
A Lego game, of course. Oh, wow. What do you say?
Thank you a lot.
What's that? What does it say?
How to Teach Your Dragon DVD.
Oh, cool. We've not even seen that.
How to teach your that? How
Teach Your Dragon.
to train it is.
Yeah.
How to train your dragon.
Not even seen that movie.
Wow.
How do you open this?
What do you say?
Thank you.
Say it into the camera.
Thank you.
Do we get a kiss?
Two? Oh, three.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.